What happened?
I know.
Wait.
Panic turned off. Why did it turn off?
I don't know.
Oh, turn it back on.
What?
I am the bird.
Oh my god, Fiona.
Oh my god, my eyes are watering.
This is why you're best friends with me, Faye. You know that, right?
I am the bird queen.
It's probably what happened whether I was here or not.
Fear me.
Is this why you're best friends with me? Okay.
Oh my god, I'm literally crying.
That sounded beautiful. Oh my god, oh, my abs hurt.
You know, laughing for a minute for 20 days straight will give you abs.
What?
Laughing for a minute straight for 20 days in a row will give you abs.
You'd also die.
Laughing for a minute straight, like a full minute,
Ooh.
for 20 days will give you abs.
I am the bird queen.
Are you trying to make me work for those abs?
Yes. I am the bird queen.
Oh, you are so weird.
You're
Faye.
recording, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just watch it. Watch it when you need a laugh, when you're depressed or something. Just watch it and be like, oh, I wonder if I have anything on here that'll cheer me up. Just so you know, Bird Queen!
No, I am the bird queen.
All hail the Bird Queen!
Yes.
Are you the bird queen or are you the queen of the bird planes?
Worship me. I am your.
The mama the.
Just make sure nobody ever sees this.
Duh. By the way, email this to me.
Make sure nobody sees this, but email it to me.
No, I just want it on my iPad. That way I could watch it when I'm upset.
If the world always ends, you can count on me, your leader, the bird queen.
You're crazy.
I win.
You
I'm
are.
alive. And I'm literally dying.
Your boys. That voice crack, though. Sounded sexy. Ow! Brilliant! The genius, everybody.
I am the queen of birds.
Wait, no. You gotta do it like this. Okay, gimme. Clip. No. You gotta.
No, I know.
Oopsies. Weep.
Casually dies.
Okay. You gotta like. Ow! No pain.
You're trying to kill me.
You don't feel anything. You don't feel any pain.
Help me.
No one up there will help you.
They'll help me tomorrow.
Wait, no. It has to be in the center. You have to. Okay, who was the pop star who did this? Was it like Beyonce or something?
Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Look at me, I'm beautiful. I am your queen.
Oh, we just had a tortilla chip.
Again. Again with the tortilla chips. Again.
You need to be a vine.
Falling. Coming. I'm beautiful.
Oh, I almost broke your tiara.
Don't break my tiara. It's the only thing making me a queen.
I have two tiaras. yours at home. You can borrow one of them. What you doing? Shh. Don't want to get yelled at again. No. Ah. What was that?
Aren't I beautiful? I am beautiful! All of these are getting shown to people tomorrow.
Yep. And I'm okay with that. My hair's going down.
You're just sitting here laughing.
Ow!
Shh, my darling. You'll be okay. Hush, little baby.
I ain't no baby. You want a baby? Go adopt a baby. Yeah. The hair must be fixed. Okay, the hair's fixed. Why are they so weird?
Behold, a wild fade. It's natural habitat.
It's bedroom.
But
Don't let your downstairs neighbors sing.
Wah!
Wait. I have an idea. So
2, 3.
Ow! That hurt.
Now let's be sophisticated.
Wait. I can actually do this one. Okay.
Let's be sophisticated. Come on, let's do it.
Bird Queen! It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay. Just, calm down. You know, I like you more when you're crazy. Go crazy. Oh my god. Need some help there?
I'm okay.
Good.
I'm a puppy.
Thank you for stopping me before I took a drink. Otherwise, you probably.
I am a puppy.
No, Jackson's the puppy.
I am the puppy.
He's gonna see us tomorrow. He's gonna be mad. He's gonna growl.
No, he's not gonna see us.
You got destiny.
Go away.
I get you. Coffee. Coffee.
No.
Coffee.
Bad Faye.
Coffee.
Bad-ish Faye.
Coffee. Coffee.
Don't hit the sound.
Is he coffee?
No, this is iPad. This
Wait.
record us being crazy.
Oh my god, I'm actually crying. No, this is not allowed.
Painful, but fun. Oh wait, you're holding your tea. Set your tea down and let me do it. Set your tea down.
I am the bird